that the result? If she doesn't have the money, it's going to go on the tax bill. And then you're going to lose it if you can't pay the taxes. If it goes on your tax bill and you can't pay the taxes, then you're going to lose the property to the county.
Right.
But they're going to add money to it when they do. This is going to, whatever works for you. Gentlemen, your appearance is for People versus Quinney.
Good morning, I'm Michael Hurley, I'm from Township of Sumter, P 37519.
Good morning, Your Honor. Thank you, and Lisa Cornelius. I'm here today on behalf of Ms. Quinney, who is standing to my right. Ms. Quinney, do you mind telling the judge your name?
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hey, Quinney.
Thank you. Go ahead, gentlemen.
This is something scheduled for a bench trial. We've discussed this matter at length. I've been on the case since November. I'm intimately aware of the details involved.
Thanks.
Judge, at this point, the city attorney has moved to dismiss the original counts. We'd be tendering a plea of responsible for one count of civil and flat infraction blight. The defendant's been advised of arrest, Your Honor. The case today with that.
Okay.
I've been authorized to accept that plea on their behalf.
All right. I'll accept the responsible plea to a civil infraction. Was there any agreement on fines and costs?
No, Judge, I would only state that I'm not as concerned with fines and costs. This does not resolve issues related to the property in whole. There's going to be some other issues going forward. I'd ask for minimal fines and costs on this with some time to pay. Further, Judge, if the case is eventually resolved one way or the other, I would ask that if she has an outstanding balance, that she maybe be able to come in here and talk about that with you, Judge.
Okay. Anything you want to add?
Yes, we have, with regard to the blight portion of this, our ordinance provides a civil infraction for blight in order to take the next step, which was requested demolition. We came here today with a prepared form to consent to a demolition. That did not get entered, so we're gonna take the next step with the court, which is we're gonna have Mr. Gregory serve this upon Ms. Quinney, so there's record of it. And then we have to take the next step to get this back before you for a hearing to take the next step to request demolition. If that makes sense.
It doesn't make a bit of sense. If you've already got an active file, why don't you just file a motion on this?
Well, we'll file the motion. Then. So, can you help me with this?
Yeah, but if she doesn't default, then they never. If she doesn't default, that can't be, because if she didn't default, they'd never be able to file that motion for demolition. I don't know. Why can't you file a motion for demolition on this?
Our ordinance says we're supposed to file something with the 34th District Court to take the next step when we're gonna request demolition. That's what we intend.
I think that's the motion that Rob's been filing.
That was for the cleanup, Your Honor, and that does require a civil citation be provided to.
Oh, because I got you. You skipped,
Power,
it's progressive in your ordinance and you didn't.
progressive, and be
Okay.
misdemeanors under.
Right.
Stances.
Right.
Not with civils.
Right.
She's pleading guilty to
Right.
civil, but we're also giving her the same civil back to start the cleanup process.
Right.
Also, then we can go forward with a show cause for our dangerous building committee.
Okay. That makes sense to you? Okay.
Ms. Quinney received today with both her daughter and pastor, which I'm glad they're aware of.
You got some support. Yeah. Yeah.
This isn't a new issue. Ms. Quinney doesn't have the money for quite.
Right. Right.
It's all back in November.
Right.
Everyone's aware of the time frame now. That
Yep.
this needs to get done right. I think it's easy that if there's things in that house that she needs to know that are personal in nature, that has to be done immediately.
Yeah.
This resolves the criminal matter, but it certainly doesn't resolve the issues. She's
Right.
aware of it. The representatives are very aware of it.
How big is the parcel?
Acres, I believe, Judge, 13 acres.
All right. So am I hearing that are you living there?
Not in the meter stuff, but yeah, my property is still there.
Okay. Okay.
It's still there. Because of the weather and I got sick, 3 times in the hospital.
Right. Right. It's time to put a for sale sign up. It's time to put a for sale sign up.
Just want to tear down now, because I got great news.
There's holes in it for over 2 years.
Right.
The house is uninhabitable. There's.
Right. Well, yeah, but the 13 acres is 13 acres.
You still value.
Right. Right. But she sounds like she wants to try to keep it around so the family can own it. So what happens? If you guys demo it, it ends up on the tax bill, right?
My understanding is that Mike came with a form prepared that they should
Right.
comply with us to
Right.
get lowest cost
Yeah.
to demo the
But
property.
isn't that the result?
We,
If she doesn't have the money, it's gonna go on the tax bill. And then you're gonna lose it if you can't pay the taxes. If it goes on your tax bill and you can't pay the taxes, then you're gonna lose the property to the county.
Right.
But they're gonna add money to it when they do. This is gonna cost
Cost of a job.
10 grand.
probably more than 10 grand on this particular.
You're on the record, I'm glad
Yeah.
to have this conversation.
Yeah.
Here, I've had the conversation with the representation, so they're.
Yeah, yeah, okay. You guys understand what I'm worried about?
We've addressed this during many previous talks with the family
Yeah.
and the defendant. At this,
Can I go completely outside the box on this? So I'm going back on the record. All right. So today I've dismissed one charge. I'm charging you $200 on the other charge, on the civil infraction. Can you pay the 200 today or you want a due date? Pay it today. So these files are done. Now, they've written you another ticket. Keep negotiating. Because all they want is this property cleaned up and they'll work with you to get it done as cheap as it can get done. Right? I mean, that's the goal. Okay? Good luck.
What I prepared, they said.
Well, we found with it. I got, just for the record, Your Honor.
Go ahead.
Have a proposed consent agreement. I have reviewed it with the defendant.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Thank you.
That's it.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you. Stay safe. All right. So that's it. Nobody else. So I've got some no shows down for Ruthie.
Thank you.
Good luck, ma'am. Don't forget to pay the 200 before you leave.
Hunter, Can you take your name, ma'am? Sure. At this time, so we'll make the formal meetings.
All right. Ma'am, they've asked me to dismiss this ticket. Is that all right with you?
If they've gone above and beyond.
I saw that. I saw that. Good luck. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Good. Good to see you. You guys are probably getting busy? Speeding up? Work? Yeah, good. Counsel, your appearance for Mr. Flores.
Good morning, Your Honor, Leslie. 34696, hearing on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Antonio Flores, Your Honor, we actually resolve this matter. And I have gone over his rights and
Good.
options in this case, and he wishes to take the law from the perpetrators, plead to one count of the 4 counts in the complaint.
Right. Thank you. Mr. Flores, do you understand your rights and the options those rights give you today? And do you understand the possible penalty for the misdemeanor charge of blight on property? Up to $500 fines plus court costs, up to 90 days in jail. Possible penalty. You understand that? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to one count? All right. Heather, I'm going to take the plea on 636B. We'll dismiss all 3 of the other charges. So counsel, let's voir dire. I've got November 6, 25 as an incident date, piece of property in Sumter Township. Get me the facts I need.
Day, light in your property, into unsecured building, and some construction materials.
That is some of the construction materials we are.
Okay. Defense is satisfied.
Thank you.
So, to state, Your Honor.
Sure.
And maybe it wasn't clear, I thought it was in the plea form, we agreed to $500.
Yeah, I saw that. Heather, I'm showing 5 files.
But I,
Oh, one of these on probation for. Right? The top one?
You have probation.
No.
Probation.
It's not really probation, it's under
Oh,
advisement.
it's a delayed sentence.
It was for 2 months back in 2024.
Oh,
Oh, so just close it out. Just close it out successfully. All right, we'll close that one out, counsel.
Years.
Yeah, we're just gonna close it.
Under
It was a
advisement.
delayed sentence for 2 months. And we're well past that 2 months. All right, so on today's file, fines that cost $500. Pay that today or do you need time?
Make a couple payments, the agreement.
Sure,
Be done in a week.
sure. I'll do it right now. Tell me when you want to do it. Two 250s?
It's fine.
When do you want to make the first payment?
Please
Today? When's the other one?
give me a couple of weeks or a month if it's possible.
I don't care. I'll give you a month if you want it.
Sorry,
So today is what, 23rd? Yeah, it's perfect because the last Friday of April is the 24th. That's your due date.
yeah.
Okay, you're all set. Have a great day.
Yes, yeah.
Yes. Right down at the counter.
Thank you.
They'll give you a big smile.
Thank you.
He works for Blue Ribbon Traders. Great guy. He was out the last time they tried to fix my water problem and it didn't work. Yeah, he was kind of running the job. Just a nice guy. Super friendly,
Yeah, blue ribbon.
contracting.
Oh, they'll go after him.
Yeah, he's been with them for quite a while.
They're gonna go after him. After you know, but I told them. Okay.
Gotta tell you now.
Do you have anything else?
I don't think so.
I've been in front of all 3 judges.
Today?
Yeah, it was, they have conflict on something in Judge Martin's. This was scheduled in front of you, and then I was on the docket. Sentencing the OPs, Judge Pat.
And you'll be here Thursday, right?
Is it Thursday? I thought it was tomorrow.
Oh, are you here? Oh, maybe.
I left my,
Don't ask me.
it could be tomorrow and Thursday. I don't know.
Sure.
You know, I'm the idiot though that missed the email for signing up for the April, May, June
Mhm.
for beer.
Oh.
So I'll only be here a couple
I don't know why I mean, we send them a year in advance our schedule. And they don't do every,
And so now I have to call Felisa, the year one person, and say, you have all this stuff scheduled. So, and if you want vertical representation, which supposedly you do, I'm just gonna have to show up. Whether I'm on the docket or not, so you have to pay more.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I am.
let me go check. I have, I have Sling up actually
Okay.
right now.
Cause I have it in my phone in my office.
Yes, hold on, real quick.
Okay. So. Oh.
Has it actually done?
Leslie, you are here tomorrow and Thursday.
Oh, there you go, it's my lucky week. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I'll see you tomorrow, Heather. Yeah.
Alrighty.
Yeah. Okay, see you tomorrow, you're on.
Great day. Hey, Heather,
Yes.
look at Thursday.
If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns.